Welcome everyone. In today's session, we'll focus on writing, appending, and deleting files while using the write functionality in Python. In the previous session, we learned about read lines and the read line functions. We saw how you can simply write a memory efficient code by using the direct for loop over the lines in the txt file. And we also saw the use of which statement, which automatically handles the file closure. In today's session, we'll go beyond reading. We will create, update, and manage file content. We'll also cover how to delete files safely. So, first of all, talking about the write function, the write function takes a string and stores it in a particular file. If the file doesn't exist, it also creates the file. Uh, and The mode here to write the file instead of R, we will be using W. So let's go and try to write a file. So instead of sample, uh, I already have the sample file. So what I will do is this is the first line is what I'm going to add. So let's say now if I go back here, you see all of the data is replaced and there is now only one line available for us. Then we have the append mode. So append mode lets us add data to existing file without losing the previous data. And uh, instead of W, here we are going to use the A, which stands for the append mode. So an example for this is, uh, so I'm opening the same syntax, just the difference would be instead of W, now have A, and I have added another message. This line is added later. So here if I go again, you will see the new line has been added and not like the previous data was not overwritten as we saw in the case where we use the mode as W, that is write mode. Then writing multiple lines. So to write multiple lines, we can use writelines function, which is efficient when writing a lot of lines, but it doesn't auto insert new lines. So we need to specifically add /n at the end of each string so that a new line can be created. So let's say we have a list and this list shall be stored in a txt file. So I will write a like write mode. I will open the file in write mode and I will use f.writelines and I will just pass this full list which contains my list with each string ending at /n. So I will just comment this particular section. So it would have created a fruits.txt. So if you see, this is how the output would look like the all the list elements stored here in my fruits.txt. Then the next we have is the deleting files option. So when we write to a file, we often use the like write mode. We use W as mode, which automatically overwrites existing content. But sometimes, especially in data pipelines, log management systems, or batch file creations, we might want to delete the file entirely before writing fresh content because sometimes there could be some issues with file overwriting. The file may contain irrelevant data. Let's say you are instead of writing, you are appending some data. If you want to remove irrelevant data or outdated content, you want to automatically remove the logs. You want to ensure that a whole new file is created before overwriting any previous data. Let's say there was some issue when that particular file was encoded by the system, and due to which any new data that is added, it cannot be opened due to that like faulty encoded data. In script that runs multiple times, we might want to like start fresh if the file exists by deleting it prior. So we can use Python's os.remove that helps us remove the file which we want, but we must check if the file exists first to avoid crashing the script. So we can use something like os.path.exist. So let's say I will go here This will be my code. So import os, then I will write my file name as fruits.txt. Then I will check if this particular file exists at this particular path. So if the particular file exists, I will remove it, and I will just print old report deleted. And then like if the path or the file doesn't exist, then I can create and write a new fresh file, or a new fresh report, and I can just simply name new report generated. So if I go and try, so you see this fruits.txt is showing red, meaning it's deleted. And if I now again try to rerun this, uh, it will create a new fruits.txt stating new report generated. So this is how this works, that os.path.exist, first it went into if case, and the next time when I ran it as fruits.txt was not existing, it went to the else case and created a new file for me. So in today's session, we learned how to create, update, append, and safely delete these files. We saw the difference between the write mode and the append mode. We saw how to write multiple lines with the writelines function, and we used os.remove for deleting the files along with os.path.exist to check if a particular path exists or not. Just to add, os.path.exist will return true or false that the particular file exists or not. In the next session, we'll work with structured data formats that are CSV and JSON, which are commonly used in real-world applications. So yes, thank you for joining today's session. Let's meet in the next session. Have a nice day.